What is up guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how to enable dark mode on Instagram. This works on both devices, Android and iOS. So let's get started right now. Let's first start with iPhone users. If you are using iPhone, just swipe like this, okay? Swipe to the top and you can see here this brightness slider. You wanna long press brightness slider, and as you can see here, you have to enable at the very bottom left. You can see here dark mode. You want to just turn it on and your Instagram is going to be dark, okay? Or anything you are using, not only Instagram, anything is going to be dark mode on your iPhone. So there is no way to enable that on the app itself. If you are using Android, you want to go to settings, okay? And you want to search for display, okay? Just search for display. And after you click on display, for example, this is display, you can see here dark mode, okay? When you search for display in settings, after you click on display, you can see the dark mode and you can just check it, okay? Turn it on, and that's exactly how you can do the same, like the same process works. I hope this video is useful to you. If it does, please drop a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.